this is Wasim. Welcome to my channel Wagon Picks. Hope you are all doing great. We are into the third tutorial of this JavaScript series, and topic of this tutorial is arithmetic operations and assignments. So topics covered in this tutorial are: what are arithmetic operations and types, what are assignments and types, and finally we will see some examples related to the topics. Okay, so to start with, the arithmetic operations are involved mathematically calculations performed on numerical values. Okay, so whenever we have some values and we want to perform certain mathematical operations, we can use these are the set of operations which we can perform. So you might be thinking that these are very easy topics, but I would request you to go through it, because we have designed this tutorial in such a way that it will boost your confidence at the beginning, so that you will feel very confident when we go to the complicated topics. So please be with me and follow the steps. Even if you don't if you know, just go through these steps. This will be a revision for you, and you might not be knowing few steps which I will be explaining. So be with the flow. It will be good for you. Okay, so to start with, uh, let's go and create a HTML file. We'll start with the HTML tag. Okay, and then head. In head we define the title. Let us name the title as operations. Okay, and let's define the body, and let us type some dummy content and check this on server. This is good. Yeah, we got the dummy content. Let's go ahead and create a JavaScript tag. Okay, we have created JavaScript tag. So we have learned in our earlier tutorial how to define a variable, let a var and const. So we will use let variable. Let's there be value 1. No, let's take a simple x, and let's assign a value to this as 20. Okay, let's take another variable, that is y, and let assign a value as 10. Okay, so what we will do is we will go through all the operations which we have listed down here, and print those into console. Okay, console dot, you all might be knowing that console is used to print the value on the screen, console screen. I will just quickly show you how we do that. So console x plus y. So in this, what we are doing is whatever value is there in x and whatever value is there in y will be added and printed on the console. So let me quickly check this. We can also open the terminal over here, but I want to follow a standard procedure, because this is good to I want to make you aware of this developers tool, because this is very much important. You might need to debug at certain times, so this inspect element tool will be helpful for you. And this, I will refresh. We have not saved this file, so let me do now. So now we got here 30, that is 20 plus 10, 30, and we will see the next operation, that is x minus y. Okay, let me refresh this. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Okay, and similarly we will go through log x multiply y. This will multiply by y, and similarly we will see log x divide y. Okay, this divides um, 20 by 10, and console.log see x modulus y. This will return the reminder. What a modulus does is, when we divide 20 by 10, the reminder value will be printed in the console. Like in this case it will be 0. Okay, so let us see 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 expressions, and let's see, let's print the value. We are not save this now. Okay, here we are. 20 plus 10 30, 20 minus 10 10. Okay, 20 into 10, it's 200, and when I divide 20 by 10, I will get 2, and 20 by 10, what will be the reminder? It will be 0. Okay, we are clear with these operations. So there is one more operation which we missed. There are three more operators. Exponentiation. So in exponentiation, what happens is, uh, so in this case, x will be the base and y will be the exponent. So x will be multiplied to itself y many times. Okay, so let's quickly check what will be the output. See here. So what is happening over here is, x, the value of x is 20, 20 into 20 into 20. So this is getting multiplied by itself by 10 times. So this is what we are getting. Okay, and the increment and decrement operator are important operators. This will be frequently used in JavaScript applications, so you need to understand this. It's very easy, but sometimes there is a trick in this to understand. So if I print increment 10, so what will happen? Can anyone guess what exactly will happen if I write plus plus 10? So 10 will be incremented to 1, that is 11. Okay, so here we are. There is, that's a mistake. Okay, so sorry, I have added static value. So what exactly will happen over here is, I have incremented the value of x. So x will be incremented to 1. So the value of x is 20. 20 plus 1, 21. We should get a value 21 in our console. So here we got 21. And similarly, y. So what will be the output? Correct, the output will be 9, because the value of y is 10, and when it get decremented by 1, it will be 9. Okay, so here we have got the 9. One point I wanted to update to you all is console.log. Okay, so in case if I am putting the y, okay, let's take x plus plus. In this case, what happens is, what will happen, the value of x we have already incremented to 21 here. Okay, and what exactly we are all doing here, let's see what will be the output. The value is still 21. Okay, so here we added plus plus before the variable, and here we have added it afterwards. So what computer does is, when we add plus plus, so it adds plus plus and then it prints. So if we add plus plus after the variable, so in this case what happens is, it prints the value of x and then it increments. So if I try to console the value of x now, it will be incremented to 1. Okay, so here you can see I'm not incrementing here. So the value of x will be 22. Got my point? So this is all about the operations in JavaScript. So let us move ahead and see what is the assignments. Okay, I will remove this. We'll keep the same assignment values. Okay, so assignment is something we have assigned this already, like we, in this case, the value of 20 is assigned to 2x. Okay, so you can also assign like this, at z equal to x. So we are assigning the value of x to z. Okay, so log, I will quickly print the value of z. So what will be the value of z? So that will be 20. Okay, 20. Okay, so this is the assignment operator. So next is uh, subtract and assign. So in this case what happens is, uh, I will take x minus equal to y. Okay, I will just print this. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are subtracting x, subtracting y from x and assigning the result value to x. So it is the expression of this kind. Okay, this is the expression. So we are subtracting 10 from 20 and assigning the value to x. So what we are expecting, we are expecting 10. So we got 10. So this is again a shortcut we will be frequently using in our applications. So in future codes, so this will just keep in mind, instead of writing this whole expression, we can just quickly type this and we can assign the value. So similarly, increment and assign. So increment and assign plus equal to, sorry, I forgot to write x and y. Okay, so what this does is value of x plus y. So x is added to y and the addition is assigned to x. 20. Okay. So similarly, we can have the other operators. So what this does is this multiplies. Okay, so you can use the same concept for division also. Okay, so this was all about the assignments. So we have covered two major topics in this tutorial, that those are operations and assignments. So I know the topic was very easy, but two takeaway points I would request you is to, first is the increment and decrement. Okay, so where to put the increment and decrement, and second is this shortcut what we are following to increment, operate and assign. Okay, so this will, we will be using frequently in our uh, future code. Okay, so hope you got all the points. This was not a tough topic. Please do let me know if you have any questions and concerns. Thank you for watching this tutorial.